Sofia. Sofia. Oh, perfect. Hello, friends. We have another package, and this one is heavy. This one is just a simple things for our beloved Sofia. This is day number 10. So in today's video, we're going to do the 12 days of Christmas unboxing, and then this is the day number 10. So I'm going to put this one on the floor because it's somewhat heavy. I'll just put it on here. So yeah, and thank you very much for watching all our 12 days of unboxing. It's almost done, and then you will be able to see the rest, the two other things that we have. And then this one is specifically for Sofia. She will be so happy for this one because this is all her stuff. Look. So first off, we have this is the one that we use for her. It's a natural pellet type of thing. This one is a natural BioLiter. And then this is 100% natural, and it is for when she's doing number 1 or number 2. So that's that. And then a lot of things. Oh, we have a visitor because she knows it's hers. Huh? You know that's yours? Okay, this one is the one that she's asking for. Temptations, of course, right? Oh, here. Just stay here. Just stay here. Ooh. She knows. Okay, we'll give her one already because since she's asking for it. Here, Sofia. Here. Up. Come up. So this one, Temptation Mix-Ups. She loves this one. And then it's a catnip fever type of thing. And then yeah. So we do have a lot of paper, air paper. And then of course we have a Fancy Feast petites for her in gravy collection. This is her favorite one that she likes to eat. How much did we spend for all this, baby?
It's half of the price.
So it's half of the price. That's why we're doing it with Amazon and stuff. And then she does have a Fancy Feast medley. This one. Her favorite one is tuna and chicken. And then she likes anything with gravy anyways. And then there's like 2 more of those. So yeah, and then this one is 12 cans each. So 12 cans. It's a really Merry Christmas for her. So, and then for us, and then there's nothing anymore. And then for us, we have oh, this is new. Non-Buzz Pure Full Calming Water Sunscreen. So this one is this from Korea too?
Uh-huh.
Wow, it's from Korea. And then, of course, Red Bean Water Gel. Beauty of Joseon. Somebody's very happy here. So yeah. So hopefully you like our little video today for Miss Sofia right here. And she was telling, oh, it's perfect timing that she's here next to us. Because she's like, I'm the one. I'm the one. Aww. Thank you very much for watching. This is Carlo from Carlo&Seb channel, and Sofia. And Sofia. Oh, there you go. So yeah, we'll see you again for the last 2 days that we have. Hopefully you will be able to watch our last 2 days. Thank you very much for watching. This is Carlo and Carlo&Seb channel. We'll see you again in the next video. Do what makes you happy. We love you all. Bye. Bye. There you go, Sofia. Is that you? Oh, take a picture of her here. There you go. Bye.